Hey everyone, it's James here. Today we're diving into a topic that's incredibly important, breaking free from poverty. Let's get started. And wow, am I so incredibly excited and honestly, a little emotional to be talking with you all about this. This isn't just another video topic for me, it's something that resonates super deeply. We're going to explore 10 powerful, life-changing steps that can help you, yes you, transform your circumstances and build a future filled with success and abundance. I know it sounds like a huge mountain to climb, but trust me, every single journey starts with that first brave step, and today we're taking it together. I truly believe that no matter where you are right now, no matter what challenges you're facing, you hold the power to rewrite your story. It's not about quick fixes or magic wands because, let's be real, those don't exist. This is about real, actionable strategies, cultivating a mindset of resilience, and putting in the work. I've seen so many people, and perhaps even experienced aspects of this myself, where the weight of financial struggle feels absolutely crushing. But I'm here to tell you, and to show you, that there is always a path forward, a light at the end of the tunnel. So, grab your notebooks, get comfortable, maybe even light a candle and get in the zone, because this is going to be an empowering session. We're not just listing steps, we're building a community of support and inspiration right here, right now. I want you to leave this video feeling fired up, motivated, and equipped with the tools you need to start making tangible changes in your life. Are you ready to embark on this journey to success with me? Because I am so ready to guide you. Let's do this. Alright, chapter 1, and this one is literally the foundation for everything else we're going to talk about, cultivating a positive mindset. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, how can I be positive when things are so tough? And trust me, I get it, it's so easy to get caught in a spiral of negativity when you're facing hardship. But listen, your mindset is your most powerful asset, your secret weapon in this battle. You have to start believing, deep down in your soul, that you are capable of changing your circumstances. It's about shifting from, I can't to, how can I? This isn't about ignoring reality. It's about facing reality with hope and determination, knowing you have the strength within you. Think of your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and limitation, that's exactly what will grow. But if you consciously choose to plant seeds of hope, belief, possibility, and self-worth, you will cultivate a mental landscape that supports your growth. Start your day with affirmations. Tell yourself, I am strong, I am capable, I deserve success, and I am working towards a better future. Visualize your success, feel it, believe it. This might feel a little silly at first, but I promise you, consistently feeding your mind with positivity will literally rewire your brain and open you up to seeing opportunities you never noticed before. Okay, so now that we're working on that gorgeous positive mindset, let's talk about chapter 2. Setting clear and achievable goals. This is where the magic starts to happen, you guys. Having a positive mindset is amazing, but without clear direction, it's like being all dressed up with nowhere to go. You need a roadmap, and that's exactly what goals are. I'm not just talking about vague wishes like I want to be rich. No, we need to get specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. Honey, what does escaping poverty look like for you specifically? So, I want you to literally grab a pen and paper or open up your notes app right now. Write down what you want to achieve. Do you want to find a better paying job, start a small business, get out of debt? Be specific. For example, instead of get a better job, try secure a job as a specific role in the specific industry, earning specific amount within the next 6 months. See how much more powerful that is? Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes them feel less overwhelming and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way, which, trust me, is so important for staying motivated. Moving on to chapter 3, and this is a game-changer: continuous education. Listen, knowledge is power. It truly is. In a world that's constantly evolving, the commitment to learning and upskilling yourself is not just beneficial, it's absolutely essential for breaking free from limitations and opening doors to new, exciting opportunities. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to go back to a formal 4-year university if that's not feasible for you right now. Education comes in so many beautiful forms, and many of them are incredibly accessible, sometimes even free. Think about online courses, workshops, certifications, reading books, listening to podcasts, or even watching informative YouTube videos like this one. Identify the skills that are in demand in your desired field, or that could help you start that side hustle you've been dreaming about. Maybe it's learning a new software, improving your communication skills, understanding personal finance better, or mastering a trade. The more you learn, the more valuable you become, and the more confident you'll feel in your ability to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Make learning a lifelong habit, a part of your daily routine. Be curious, be hungry for knowledge, because it's an investment in yourself that will always, always pay off dividends. Alright, Chapter 4 is all about developing a strong work ethic. Now I know hard work can sometimes sound daunting, but let me reframe it for you. It's about dedication, perseverance, and commitment to your goals. Nothing truly worthwhile in life comes easy, and escaping poverty requires a level of determination that will push you, but also empower you like never before. This isn't about burning yourself out because self-care is key, we'll get to that. But it's about showing up consistently, giving your best effort and being willing to go the extra mile when necessary. A strong work ethic means being reliable, responsible, and proactive. It's about taking initiative, not waiting for things to happen but them happen. When you approach your work, whether it's your current job, your studies, or building your own venture, with passion and diligence, people notice. Opportunities will start to find you. Remember those clear goals we talked about? Your work ethic is the engine that drives you towards them. It's about understanding that setbacks will happen, challenges will arise, but with a strong commitment to your grind, you will overcome them. Okay, Chapter 5, and this one is so crucial. Budgeting. I know, the word budget can sometimes make people groan, but I want you to think of it differently. Budgeting is not about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about you becoming the CEO of your own money, telling it where to go instead of wondering where it went. Seriously, managing your finances wisely is absolutely fundamental for long-term success and financial freedom. If you don't know what's coming in and what's going out, you're essentially flying blind. And that's a recipe for staying stuck. Creating a budget is simpler than you think. Start by tracking all your income and all your expenses for a month. Yes, every single coffee, every subscription, everything. There are tons of apps for this. Or a simple notebook works perfectly too. Once you see where your money is actually going, you can identify areas where you can cut back or make adjustments. Then, create a plan. A zero-based budget is amazing, where every single dollar has a job. Allocate funds for necessities, savings, debt repayment, and yes, even a little bit for fun. Sticking to your budget takes discipline, but the feeling of control and peace of mind it brings is literally priceless. Let's dive into Chapter 6, Saving and Investing Wisely. This is where you start building a foundation for real, lasting financial security. Once you've got your budget in order and you know how much you can set aside, even if it's a small amount, saving becomes your next power move. Think of it as paying yourself first. Before you pay any bills, before you spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings. This creates a safety net for emergencies, so unexpected expenses don't derail your progress, and it also provides capital for future opportunities. And then, there's investing. Now, investing can sound intimidating, like it's only for wealthy people with fancy suits, but that's such a myth. Investing is essentially making your money work for, allowing it to grow over time. Even small, consistent investments can compound and grow significantly over the long term. You can start with low-cost index funds, explore micro-investing apps, or learn about other investment vehicles. The key is to educate yourself, start small if you need to, and be patient. Saving and investing are like planting seeds. You nurture them today so future you can enjoy a bountiful harvest. It's about building wealth, not just getting by. Chapter 7 is all about something that can literally change the trajectory of your career and your life: networking and building relationships. You guys, your network is your net worth. I know it sounds cliche, but there's so much truth to it. We're not talking about just collecting business cards or adding random people on LinkedIn. This is about forming genuine connections with people, offering value, and building a supportive community around you. You never know where your next opportunity, piece of advice, or collaboration will come from. Start by engaging with people in your field, attending industry events, even virtual ones, joining online communities, or volunteering for causes you care about. Be authentic, be curious, listen more than you talk, and always look for ways to help others. Networking isn't just about what you can get, it's about what you can give. When you build strong, positive relationships, people will want to help you succeed. These connections can lead to job opportunities you wouldn't have found otherwise, invaluable insights, mentorship, and even lifelong friendships. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Your next life-changing connection could be just around the corner. Alright, Chapter 8 is incredibly powerful, seeking out mentors and role models. Listen, no one achieves great success entirely on their own. We all need guidance, inspiration, and wisdom from those who have walked the path before us, especially when navigating challenges as significant as escaping poverty. A mentor is someone who can offer you advice based on their own experiences, help you avoid common pitfalls, challenge your thinking, and champion your growth. They've been where you are and have reached where you want to go. Look for individuals whose journey or achievements you admire, people who embody the qualities you wish to cultivate. This could be someone in your industry, a community leader, or even someone you know personally. Don't be afraid to reach out respectfully and ask for their guidance. Many successful people are incredibly generous with their time and knowledge when they see genuine effort and potential. Role models, too, even if you don't know them personally, can provide immense inspiration. Study their stories, learn from their successes and their failures. Having these figures to look up to can provide a clear vision of what's possible and keep you motivated on your own unique journey. We're on to Chapter 9, and this one is absolutely non-negotiable. You guys staying healthy and taking care of yourself. I cannot stress this enough. Your physical and mental well-being are the absolute bedrock upon which all your efforts to escape poverty and achieve success are built. You can have all the ambition, all the goals, all the plans in the world, but if you're not taking care of your body and mind, you will burn out, and your journey will be so much harder, if not impossible, to sustain. This means prioritizing good nutrition, even on a tight budget. Focus on whole foods when you can. It means getting enough sleep, which is when your body and mind repair and recharge. Regular physical activity, even just a daily walk, can do wonders for your mood, energy levels, and stress reduction. And equally important is your mental and emotional self-care. This could be meditation, journaling, spending time in nature, connecting with loved ones, or pursuing hobbies that bring you joy. Please do not neglect this. Your health is your greatest wealth, and investing in it is the most important investment you will ever make. And finally, Chapter 10, a step that might seem counterintuitive when you're focused on your own climb, but is so incredibly powerful: giving back to your community. This isn't just about charity, it's about fostering a spirit of interconnectedness and support. When you help others, even in small ways, it creates a positive ripple effect that not only benefits those around you but also enriches your own life in ways you might not expect. It can open up new perspectives, build new relationships, and create a supportive environment where everyone has a better chance to thrive. Giving back doesn't always mean donating money, especially when resources are tight. You can give your time, your skills, your knowledge, or simply your compassion. Volunteer for a local cause, mentor someone else who is just starting out, share helpful information, or even just be a kind and supportive presence in your neighborhood. When you contribute to the well-being of your community, you become part of something larger than yourself. This sense of purpose and connection can be incredibly motivating and can even lead to unexpected opportunities. It's about creating a cycle of positivity and upliftment because we truly are all in this together. And there you have it, you guys, 10 steps that I truly believe can guide you on your journey to breaking free from poverty and achieving the success you deserve. Wow, that was a lot, but I hope you're feeling as inspired and empowered as I am right now. Remember, this isn't an overnight transformation. It's a journey, a process, a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs, but the key is to stay committed, stay resilient, and keep putting one foot in front of the other, implementing these steps into your daily life. Please know that you are not alone in this. There's a whole community here, myself included, cheering you on every single step of the way. Take these principles, adapt them to your unique situation, and start small if you need to. The most important thing is to start. Believe in your potential, trust in your ability to create change, and never, ever give up on your dreams. You are so much stronger and more capable than you might realize, and a brighter future is absolutely within your reach if you're willing to work for it. Thanks for watching. Remember, breaking free from poverty is a journey, but with determination and the right steps, you can achieve it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you next time. I genuinely want to hear from you in the comments. Which step resonated the most? What are you going to implement first? Let's continue this conversation and support each other. Sending you all so much love and positive energy.